Hi guys, it's Jojo with your Job Shop Tip of the Week. What to include in a thank you letter or email after you have gotten an interview. No matter what form you use to send your thank you note, there are certain components you should always include. Here are a few tips. Address the person appropriately. Say thank you. Get to the point of your note quickly and say thank you immediately. Give specifics. Make sure you specify what you are saying. Before ending the letter or email, reiterate your appreciation. Sign off by using an appropriate closing such as best or sincerely. Send it as soon as possible. Be positive but sincere, but don't go overboard. Personalize each letter. Keep it brief. It should be no longer than one paragraph. And edit, edit, edit. Keep it professional and proofread several times before sending. That's it for this week. See you next time.